Oh, right. So what's going on, everybody? So hope everybody's doing well, and thank you for watching. So today we're gonna go live. We're gonna see if we can find a trade. So how I start my day usually every day. So I start looking for a zone. So let me share my chart over here so you can let's see. Pull it up right here. So I'm gonna pull up my chart. Okay, and all right. So first thing, look at the um, find it for zones, right? So market this morning took a loan at 9:30 around here. It took a nice trend and up from this point right here. Nice candle. So let me get closer. We got a really good moment from this trade. So I took two trades from this momentum train, and I got around here. I got out. So we'll see. We're gonna see if we find anything today. After 2 o'clock. Most of the time, sometimes there's no trade, so you just wait to see if any opportunity present to you. Let's see. So first thing. Um, there's a lot of constellation in this area right here. So it's not doing anything there. So let's go to time frame, 30 minutes time frame. So this is NQ. So we're gonna mark the highs. So we got a high over here. The liquidity areas, and then we have another high right here. So this is where its price is consolidating right here. Don't know what price want to do, but we also have some gaps right here, and we have another gap right here. So price fair value gap. So let me just and then we have another one here as well. So what I mean when I say fair value gaps, fair value gap basically is you see these candles right here. So this week come up here, this candle, we call this candle. So this candle came up right here. And when here, drop here, close here, and the next candle opened up and went up. And this candle went up to here, 22,798, came down close to a 22,791 and opened up here, and then came down to this point, this wick, so right here to 22.17. So basically from this point and this point, there's a gap between right here. So most of the time, price trying to come down and fill this gap right here to take fill this gap, and then take another ship around or continue to go down to the lowest prices. So we have double bottom here. So right now we're just doing analyzing the market, what the price try to do. So it was a good momentum right here. This is a good trade that I took this morning. But so now let's see if we can find another opportunity, the probability to another trade going short or going to these levels right here, these highs right here. So we have liquidity, these highs right here. Okay, Then we have liquidity here. So it's touching this liquidity. So most of the time trends come up here, take this out and drop, got back down. So double bottom, after double bottom here, took off. All right, so we're gonna go time frame of 15 minutes to see how trends. Then we have time frame of 3 minutes. So most of the time, I execute my trades on 3 minutes and set up my trades to go on long if the trend is trending up, or going short if the trend is trending down. Okay. So for us to take a short trade, need to break these lows right here. Break this low, so it's gonna come and fill these gaps right here. On the time frame, the gaps on time frame 30 minutes, so you won't see it here. But I have Trama Lago 15 close, so it's like a moving average. This blue line that you see goes around and helps me it helps me to identify if the train is the price is shifting around, or it's continued to go up some direction. All right, so we're just gonna wait for it here to drop. We want to see a big candle, and then we want to see another candle so we can take a short position. We're just waiting. Now we are here. Let's check the so the mini Russell 2000 index. So it looks like it's dropping here. I'm gonna check gold. Gold is up. Silver up. Mini Dow Jones. Bitcoin. Euro futures is up. Okay, so we need to see price to drop at least at this point. So I want to go lower. Well, we got crude oil. Touch these highs right here. So this is the micro gold future. So looks like, let's see. All right, so we're gonna wait for the price to drop a little bit. Take us a trade. So let's see. So we have really nice momentum here. Let's go. Let's see. So price is trending up. So we want to see to be low so we can take a short. We have a double top right here, top of the train. Excuse me. I think that was a bad idea to move. Try to see if that works, but didn't work. So go back here. So price went up. That was pretty cool. How that's some in. So it came down to that price right here and then push up. Now we have another candle. So we just see what price try to do here. Just consolidating. So this is where you have patience, right? So you have to be patient on what price try to do, and that was a push down. So yeah, so most of the time you've been waiting for a trade, and you don't have patience. You just want to be trade, and then you just get stop out. So this is where you control your mind to be patient on your what you're looking for, and to say your trade. So that was a nice candle right there, but we need to see more on the downside so we can take a trade because this is just consolidating right here. Consolidating right there. So once it came up here, you see this little wick right here came up here, took out these highs right here. This point recorded it right here, and now it dropping. Let's see. We want to see more to take us a short trade. Looks nice. So the candle. So let's sell one here. We're gonna put our stop right here above. Looks like it's has. Okay, it's we're gonna wait there. So it's gonna come. The price is gonna come back up and takes us in. So we're not in yet. Price can drop from that point and come down all the way. So we're in now. So we are going short. So we're gonna move our stop above here. Modify. So Price doesn't know what to do now. Still waiting. All right, so far so good on this trade. So let's see, this is on the micro mini Nasdaq 100. So it pushed down. So we are $10 and then 8. So we're gonna just going for those lows right there. We want to see a big candle drop down. So you have to be able to shift your mind. So every time with the price or with the train, what the train try to say, don't uh, you have to go with the shift your mind around if you have to. Don't. That's what the plan I had over here to break this down. But I see this, the, two tops and price after going up here, taking the ones going short, came up here, take this up, and then big candle. So this is a nice candle. So we want to see like a big candle drop. So this is where you have to shift your mind. Of course, you got to manage your stop loss that we have right here, and then you have to, your target right here. So far so good. Just gotta wait. This is where we wait the price. Let the price do whatever have to do. So we have $14 on the. We haven't closed this trade. We have $14, so positive. And let's see what price. If it's gonna need to break these lows right here. Need to break these lows right here so price can go down to these lows right here. So that's what we want to see. We want to see the break these lows right here, here. Nice. All right, so we got 20. Nice drop. That's the candle I want to see. As you can see, after taking liquidity out right here, this high right here, price came back up, down. So we have 30. Nice. All right, so we're gonna move our stop loss so we can just price try to come our directions. So we are, damn. So price trying to come up direction so they can take this out with profit, or it's gonna continue to take this low and go to our targets right here on the bottom. So price can turn around from these points. I mean, can I close this price? Yeah. Can I take those $23? Yes, I can take this $23. Just click there, close position, and take the $23. I believe the price is going to keep dropping, the probability. So we're going to play it out. Play this trade. I'm going to just play. So it says to have 20, 21. As you can see, price can really come all the way up here. But if it tops us out, we're going to take, if price can turn all the way up here, but we really move our stops so we can protect ourselves. All right, that kicks us out. So I hit our stop. Yeah. So we could have took the profit over here. Now, but the price is coming back up. So either way, you take the profit over here. Didn't break more, but price can go back here, turn around, and go drop over here. So it's good. All right, so price is pushing up now. It's consolidating in these areas, so it's gonna come back up, take this high. Let's see what price try to do. So most of the trades sometimes is that I do. It's most of the time scalping. So go in, take the profit, out, in and out. So let's see this candle. For this candle, close, nice rejection from this area. So let's see. It's gonna continue to push down. So we're waiting to see any what the price try to do. If it want to go up, take those highs. Oh, so trending is trending up. So or it's going to come down, break this out, so it can take another swim to fill these gaps, or it's going to continue to break this high and continue to go higher. So let's just wait patiently versus the time since another drop. Let's take. All right, so we're taking another trade here. I'll put our stop at 22,846. Going short. All right, so we're making 20. We got 35 here, 45.50. So let's see, scalping 16. As we got 120, so 125, 140. Need to see this candle come here. Drop to this high, this low right here, so it can break and come down, or it's gonna ship around and go back up. Can I take this profit? Yeah. We do scalping 90. I'm gonna let it play. Okay, so we had a nice push down, 125. Next candle, let's see next candle, 120. All right, let's take 60, 70, or let's take 80. All right, so we close that trade, so we take 80. All right, so let's do scalping. So I see price is coming back up. I'm sure it's gonna keep dropping back, but I would take those 80 from there. So, as you can see, it took but it just closed the trade, so and price is coming back up. So we took the trade. It's a scalping trade. So I took 90. So that's it. All right. Thank you for watching to the end. Hopefully you will learn something that, if you keep the price there, price can turn around, go against you. And sometimes you got to take the profit. So yeah, hope you learned something today. And if you did like this video, give it a like so most people can watch and learn how to day trade. And I will see you on the next video. And God bless all of you.